You can't always tell what the road ahead might bring. As your vehicle gets older, the risk and the cost of mechanical breakdown increases. Each year, more and more sophisticated technology is built into vehicles. If something goes wrong, repairs are often complex and costly. And once you reach the end of your factory warranty, you will have to pay out of pocket, leaving you vulnerable to a financial shock or shortfall. Fortunately, there's a way to protect yourself. The vehicle service contract administered by First Extended offers you 6 levels of affordable, uninterrupted coverage that can fit any budget. It helps protect you from the cost of unexpected repairs, giving you peace of mind. You can protect your car's engine, transmission, air conditioning, ABS brakes, and more. The vehicle service contract administered by First Extended also provides rental reimbursement and 24/7 emergency roadside assistance. Key benefits to keep your life moving forward when the unexpected breakdown occurs. It's a great way to keep one of your biggest investments on the road. Don't get caught without this valuable and affordable protection.